Hello everyone, Vinod here from Chennai, and I want to give a personal tip on how to enhance your learning skills. Sleep, a quality amount of sleep. Okay, that is the major factor which plays a crucial role in helping you to achieve the required scores in your exams. It is not only in your immigration exams, in any kind of exams. I generally prefer 6 hours to 8 hours sleep, but I cannot sleep in a normal manner. For example, I cannot sleep in a dark and in a silent room. So I need some amount of light and I need some noise in my room to sleep properly. Okay, I don't know why it is, maybe insecurity or because I'm sleeping alone. I don't know what is the reason behind that, but that is working for me. So try to find out a solution which makes you comfortable to sleep properly, and that in itself will help you a lot. Even if it is unusual, it doesn't matter.